Today we will be performing the part 1 of the procedure for removing and installing the Fuser maintenance kit on the M375 475-476. We are going to use the M375 as our demo machine today, and I will leave the kit contents in the notes area of this blog post or YouTube video, and that'll have the number of items, what the items are, and the part numbers associated with those items. So this printer is a little different. We are going to start by making sure the printer is on and approach it from the front, the control panel. At this point, I'll hand it off to the professor.
Okay. Like you said, the first thing, we got to be sure that the power is on when we replace the maintenance kit on this model. That's unlike other HP laser jets, but the reason we need to do that is because we need to rotate the rollers into position to be changed. If you don't do that and you try to change the rollers without rotating them through the secondary service menu, you could cause damage to the mechanism, the print pickup mechanism. So to get into the secondary service menu, go to your home screen, go into your setup menu, which is the icon of the wrench and the gear. And what you need to do is between the home button and the back button, you're going to press there, and the bottom right corner at the same time. Like that. And go back into your setup menu. You'll see an option for secondary service. Hit that. Go all the way down to the bottom and you'll see the option for pick roller. You want to hit that and then hit OK. Okay, so rollers are rotated into place. Now we need to not just turn the power off, but we're going to unplug the printer. Don't hit the power button, just unplug it from the back. Okay. Take out your paper tray. Take out your cartridges. And what we need to do is we're going to put the printer on its backside. And when you do that, you want to keep a hand up here. This is spring-loaded, your ADF, and as you put it down, it could spring open real quick. So keep a hand on top to keep that in place as you flip it over. Okay, so Tray 2 or Tray 1 pickup roller, Tray 1 set pad. Tray 2 pickup roller, Tray 2 set roller. We'll do the Tray 1 first. This green piece down here, pull that down, and your set pad, it's got 2 slots in it. Use a small flathead screwdriver to get in there. Gently twist, pry it out. Each side comes out like that. Take your new separation pad, line it up, and push hard to snap it in place. Okay, now on the pickup roller, what we need to do is it's held in place by these side arm clips. So just pull forward on the roller, push these clips to the side, and the roller will pop out of place. Okay, for Tray 2, same thing, you have these 2 arms, these 2 clips on the side that hold the roller in place. You want to pull them to the side to unlock the roller and pull it forward towards you. And it slides off the shaft like that. This is the Tray 2 separation roller. It's got the roller cover on it. You want to just pop that off. So just get your screwdriver in there and just gently pry to the side. It comes off like that. It's got holes in the side that are going to mount onto these posts on each side. Grab the roller and get your screwdriver in there, and the roller assembly comes out like this. The left side of the roller is keyed. It's got a flat edge to it. So when you put it together, make sure it goes back that way. It's also got on the left side this flared edge. Not on the right, on the left. Okay, I'll take our new one. Okay, slide that into place. Then we need to put our roller cover back on. Snap it into place. Take your new Tray 2 pickup roller. Snap it in place. When that's all done, you can put your printer back upright. And cartridges back in.
Couple of repair notes on this model. The page yield on the Fuser maintenance kit is about 125,000 pages. And the Fuser kit is available in a number of different options here at Metrofuser. The page reset procedure that you find on a number of printers is not found on this. So it's just simple installation, replacement, and it's ready to go. And if you enjoy these videos, please make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit us online at metrofuser.com.